I'm Renee Sanders. I'm from Osceola County. I'm a community nutrition instructor. Today we are going to make Southwestern inspired rice bowl. Thanks to Food Hero for this recipe. I've washed my hands for 20 seconds and rinsed all the produce before chopping. These are the things that we're using today. So that's our black-eyed peas. This was just a zucchini that I cut up into, do you see, small bite-sized pieces. I also have an onion cut up, salsa and cheese, and the rice. I pre-cooked that. Actually, I made 2 cups worth today. I'm going to use more in another recipe. So this is our red pepper. I have already washed it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our knife and just cut barely along that line. It'll peel open like a flower, and almost all of the seeds will stay right in the very center. I have the red peppers in there. I'm going to add some onions. I'm going to top it all off with my zucchini. 1 teaspoon of oil in here. I hope this sounds delicious. So we're really just going to do a quick stir fry of it for 3 minutes. So I'm going to let that set while I measure out our 1 cup of canned beans and 1 cup of rice. And then if we just plate this, add a little bit of salsa, sprinkle it with cheese. It's a very fresh, easy recipe that tastes delicious.